Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to make steamed eggs. These eggs are very easy, you just need to steam them and you need very few ingredients. Mostly what you probably already have in your kitchen. So here is how to make very easy steamed eggs. All you need are eggs, water, and I'm using this Knorr Savor Rich chicken seasoning because it's easier to dissolve in water. But if you don't have this, you can use the Knorr cube. Maybe use 1/4 of a cube or half a cube. And then the ratio for the eggs is very easy. So I'm using 6 eggs and this is 600 ml of water. If you're using less eggs, for example, if you want to make a smaller amount, if you're making 3 eggs, just use 300 ml of water. It's that easy. If you're using 4 eggs, use 400 ml, and then just adjust your seasoning. So how do we start? Let me just dissolve some seasoning. This is just eyeball it. I just eyeball it. So maybe that much, and then once it's dissolved, we just add the egg. And then we just carefully beat the eggs. So once your eggs are mixed well or with the water, I've just prepared a container that will fit into my Instant Pot. And then we will just pour this. So here is my Instant Pot. I already put the steamer rack in some water. And we're just going to carefully place the eggs. And then make sure that our knob is on sealing. And then let's just put it on 12 minutes. You can also steam this using a regular steamer, but steam it for about 15 to 16 minutes. Start counting the minutes when the water boils. Okay, so there's our steamed egg. So here's our steamed egg. And to garnish, I have soy sauce, sesame oil, black pepper, and chopped green onions. These are green onions that I chopped and froze. So because they wilt very quickly, so I don't want to go out during this quarantine period. So I just bought a lot of green onions and then I chopped them and then I froze them. Yan. Okay, so let's and then I'll put some soy sauce. And I'll put some green onions on top. Fresh is better, but this is what I have. I'm just going to put this back in the Instant Pot for maybe just a minute or so, just to heat up the green onions. But if you're using fresh onions, you don't need to do that, because this is because I'm using frozen green onions. So this is our steamed egg. It's done. Let me show you how smooth it is. It's very smooth. Para siyang taho. So, let's see. See? Para siyang taho. Ayan, no? Ayan. It's very smooth egg. So I hope you enjoyed this very simple and easy recipe using just very few ingredients. I hope this gives you an idea on what to cook for your family during this enhanced quarantine period. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Bye-bye.